Changing your username on Revolut is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to Profile Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the account tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Username. Look for the option labeled Username or Edit Username within the profile settings. Tap on this option to proceed with changing your username. Step 4. Enter new username. Type in your desired new username. Ensure that it meets any specified requirements, such as character limits or restrictions on special characters. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, look for a Save or Confirm button. Tap it to finalize the change. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your username has been successfully updated. Now you have successfully changed your username on Revolut. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Revolut's customer support for assistance.